Today we're going to divide triple digit by double digit with remainders. So let's look at our steps for long division here. Remember our acronym, Grumpy Men Sing Badly. Goes into, multiply, subtract, bring down. Okay, so let's look at our number 1 here. We have 326 in the house, and we have 14 outside the house. Okay, so let's go through our steps. Goes into. Can 14 go into 3? Well, no, because 3 is smaller than 14. So, how many times does 14 go into 32? Well, 1 would be too small, so let's try 2. Let's come over here and see if 2 will work. 14 times the 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. So, if we did another group of 14s and did 3 groups of 14, it would be too big. So, 14 goes into 32 2 times. Multiply. 2 times 14 was 28. Subtract. We have to borrow. 12 minus our 8 is 4. Bring down. Start steps over. Goes into. How many times can 14 go into 46? Well, 2 times was 28, so let's try 3 times. 14 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry your 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus the 1 is 4. So if I did another group of 14s to make it 4 groups of 14, that would be too big. So it goes into 46 3 times. Multiply. 3 times the 14 was 42. Subtract. Bring down. Nothing to bring down. So our answer is either 23 with a remainder of 4, or we could say 23 wholes and 4 left over, so that would be 4/14. Okay, number 2, we have 888 inside the house and 34 outside the house. Steps, goes into. Can 34 go into 8? Well, no, because 8 is smaller than 34. Can 34 go into 88? Yes. How many times? Well, 34 times 1 would be 34, so that's too small. So let's try 2. 34 times 2 over here. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. So if I did another group of 34s and did 3 groups, that would be too big. So it goes into 88 2 times. Multiply. 2 times 34 was 68. Subtract. Bring down. Start steps over. Goes into. How many times can 34 go into 208? Okay, let's try 6 times. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 3, 18, plus 2 is 20. So that's 6 groups of 34. If I did 7 groups of 34, it would be too big. So it goes into 208 6 times. 6 times 34 was 204. Subtract would be 4. So we could say that it was 26 with a remainder of 4, or we could say 26 and 4 over 34. Okay, let's look at our number 3. We have 298 inside the house, 21 outside the house. Steps, goes into. Can 21 go into 2? No, because 2 is smaller than 21. Can 21 go into 29? Yes. how many times? 1 time. Multiply. 1 times 21 is 21. Subtract. Bring down. Start steps over. Goes into. How many times can 21 go into 88? Well, it can go 4 times. Let's go over here and check 4. 21 times 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 8, or 4 times 2 is 8. So it can go 4 times. Multiply. 4 times 21 was 84. Subtract. Okay, so our answer would be 14, remainder 4, or 14 and 4 over 21. Okay, number 4, 690 goes inside the house. 46 goes outside the house. Goes into. How many times can 46 go into 6? Well, it can't because 6 is smaller than 46. How many times can 46 go into 69? Well, it can go 1 time because more than that would be too big. 1 times 46 is 46. Subtract. Bring down. Goes into. How many times can 46 go into 230? Well, let's try 5 times. I know that 6 times that 5 would be 30. 4 times 5, that's 20 plus my 3. So it goes 5 times. Multiply 5 times 46 was 230. Subtract. Bring down. Nothing to bring down, so our answer is 15 with no remainder.